Are you on the hunt for a car that's both affordable and reliable? Today, we're going to take a comprehensive look at the top 3 cost-effective automobiles in the vibrant, diverse country of India. These vehicles are carefully selected after thorough research based on their affordability, reliability, and overall value for money. While affordability is our main criterion, we're certainly not compromising on the quality. Each of the cars that we're about to explore today has been critically acclaimed by both users and experts for their impressive build, durability, and performance, even in harsh conditions. Firstly, we'll take a deep dive into the unique features of each car. From their stylish exterior designs to the intricate details of their interiors, we'll leave no stone unturned. We'll walk you through their fuel efficiency, seating capacity, safety features, and even their infotainment systems. Next, we'll discuss the pricing. We know that for many of our viewers, price is a crucial factor when it comes to making a purchase decision. Therefore, we'll break down the price ranges of these cars, explaining the differences between the base models and the higher-end variants, so you can choose the one that fits your budget best. Then we'll analyze their performance. We will discuss their engine capabilities, suspension systems, and drive comforts. We will also consider their handling in city traffic, highway speed, and even on off-road terrains, providing you with a full picture of what each vehicle is of. Lastly, we'll consider user reviews and feedback. What do real customers have to say about these cars? Are they satisfied with their purchase? How does the car's performance hold up over time? We believe that real-world experiences can offer invaluable insights that can help you make a more informed decision. By the end of this episode, we hope to provide a comprehensive understanding of these 3 budget-friendly cars. We aim to equip you with all the necessary information that you need to make an informed decision. Today, we're exploring the top 3 budget-friendly cars in India that offer excellent value without compromising on quality. We'll delve into their features, price, and performance to help you make an informed decision. First up is the Maruti Suzuki Alto, a car with a starting price of approximately 3 lakhs. This compact marvel is a crown jewel in the Indian automobile industry, boasting a reputation that has captured the hearts of thousands across the nation. Its sleek and streamlined design is hard to ignore, enhancing its aesthetic while maintaining its functionality. Its compact size is one of its most distinguishing factors, setting it apart from other vehicles in its category. This car is known for its impressive fuel efficiency, a feature that it holds with pride. It can cover a distance of 22 to 24 kilometers on a single liter of petrol, a testament to the technological prowess of the engineers behind it. However, the Alto isn't just about fuel efficiency. Its compact design, coupled with low maintenance costs and easy maneuverability, make it a favorite among first-time car buyers. The vehicle's size is perfect for navigating through tight city streets and congested traffic. It stands as a symbol of practicality and affordability, reflecting the aspirations of the urban middle class. Under the hood of this compact beast, you will find a peppy 0.8-liter or 1.0-liter petrol engine. This engine, small yet powerful, delivers a performance that is more than satisfactory for driving conditions. It balances the need for speed with the requirement for efficiency, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Additionally, the Maruti Suzuki Alto is supported by Maruti's extensive service network. This, coupled with the affordable cost of spare parts, ensures a hassle-free ownership experience. The extensive network ensures that help is always within reach, regardless of where you are. The affordable spare parts ensure that maintaining the Alto does not take a toll on your wallet, keeping the running costs minimal. The Alto, therefore, stands as a symbol for accessible mobility. It provides an affordable and efficient mode of transportation that doesn't compromise on either comfort or style. It continues to be a testament to the capabilities of Maruti Suzuki, showcasing the best of what the company has to offer. Coupled with Maruti's extensive service network and affordable spare parts, the Alto ensures a hassle-free ownership experience with minimal running costs. Next, we have the Hyundai Santro, starting at around 4.75 lakhs. A remarkable car in every sense of the word, the Santro is a perfect blend of technology, design, and performance. It's a testament to Hyundai's commitment to delivering high-quality, reliable vehicles that redefine the hatchback category. The price point is very competitive. For a car that starts at 4.75 lakhs, the Santro provides a plethora of features that ordinarily you would expect in a much higher range. With the affordability factor in mind, Hyundai has done an excellent job in delivering a car that is bound to fulfill all your needs and wants without burning a hole in your pocket. Moreover, the car offers a mileage of approximately 20 to 22 kilometers per liter, thereby ensuring cost-effectiveness and fuel efficiency. It's the perfect car for those who are looking for an economical yet powerful ride. The mileage is a testament to Hyundai's advanced engineering and their commitment to creating vehicles that are not just easy on the pocket, but also environmentally friendly. What truly sets the Santro apart are its spacious interiors and modern styling. The car boasts a roomy cabin with ample legroom for the passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride even on long trips. The stylish exterior is bound to turn heads wherever you go. Distinctive and sleek, the Santro's design is a visual treat. The car is filled with numerous creature comforts, such as a touchscreen infotainment system, rear AC vents, and a driver's side airbag. The infotainment system is user-friendly and intuitively ensuring that you stay connected and entertained on the go. The rear AC vents ensure that the passengers in the back also enjoy a comfortable ride, while the driver's side airbag adds an extra layer of safety. Its 1.1-liter petrol engine ensures smooth performance with ample power for both city and highway driving. The engine is designed to deliver power and performance without compromising on fuel efficiency. It's the perfect engine for those who want ride without sacrificing economy. To top it all off, with Hyundai's widespread service network and competitive maintenance costs, owning the Santro is a breeze. The brand's excellent after-sales service ensures that you have a hassle-free ownership experience. Hyundai's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in the care and attention they put into every aspect of owning a Santro. Truly, the Hyundai Santro is a car worth considering for every car enthusiast out there. Lastly, we have the Tata Tiago, the newest addition to the vibrant Indian auto market, with a starting price of approximately 4.99 lakhs. A price point that is sure to appeal to a broad section of the populace. This stylish, compact hatchback is a product of Tata Motors, one of India's leading and most trusted automobile manufacturers. The Tiago, which is a testament to Tata's commitment to engineering excellence and innovation, offers exceptional mileage of around 23 to 25 kilometers per liter. Such mileage figures are certainly impressive and stand as a testament to the fuel efficiency this car promises. Driven by a refined 1.2-liter petrol engine, it ensures that every ride in this vehicle is smooth, comfortable, and characterized by a sense of ease. This engine, being highly, delivers a perfect blend of power and efficiency, promising a performance that's hard to beat. Let's delve into the features of the Tiago, which are all designed to enhance your driving experience. It comes equipped with a host of segment-leading features that are made to impress. The touchscreen infotainment system, for instance, is user-friendly and exhibits features that are usually found in high-end cars. It provides easy access to navigation, music, and various other features that make every drive enjoyable. Add to this the superior smartphone connectivity, which allows you to control a number of car features with just a tap on your phone. Indeed, the blend of technology and comfort is evident in every aspect of the Tata Tiago. The car also boasts multi-drive modes, allowing you to choose between eco, city, and sport according to your driving preference. This feature is quite unique for a car in this segment and again, accentuates the superior driving experience that the Tiago offers. Tata's improving service network is another commendable aspect. With an increasing number of service centers across the country, the after-sales service experience is expected to be quite hassle-free. Further, the reasonable maintenance costs add to the overall value proposition of the Tiago, making it a smart choice for those on a budget. And let's not forget the 2-year warranty which comes with the car, ensuring that you are covered for any unforeseen problems. Tata Tiago thus stands as a perfect blend of style, performance, and value, making owning it a rewarding experience for budget-conscious buyers. So, there you have it, the Maruti Suzuki Alto, Hyundai Santro, and Tata Tiago. Each of these cars stand out in the Indian automotive market for their affordability, reliability, and overall value proposition. They offer the perfect balance of features, performance, and affordability, whether you're a first-time car buyer or looking to upgrade to a more economical ride. Make sure to consider these options when making your next car purchase.